Can you guys see my screen? So today we are mainly divide into four parts to okay to four parts to talking about the new function for the PIStudio. First one is about the new software layout, and the second one is the device management tool, and the third one it is about the version 3.0 HMI background, and the last one is the new protocol driver. Okay. So first, I want to talk about the new layout. So after we enter the new versions PIStudio, then we can see the welcome page. We will have a HTML page embedded on this home page. Okay, so we can see this. It is our Wecon support center to check the HMI data, something like this. So, and on the left side, it is about the recently opened project. Okay. And the next one is if we new a project, then it will allow us to select the model first. So we can see here is select model, select series, and resolution. Then if it is IG we can select the screen style. It is sent to the old version PIStudio. Okay. After we complete the selection of the model, then it will automatically pop up a window for the communication setup. Okay, so we need to new the protocol communication we want to set up. So there is one tip when we create the new project. So because we have the custom name for new create protocol. Okay, so if we want to create multiple communication protocol on the project, we need to pay attention to this name. This name cannot be consistent with the exist on the list connection list. Okay, so if it is deprecated, then you will show this error. The custom name is already exist. Please reconfigure to rename the custom name. Okay. Of course, I will share this PowerPoint after the meeting. Because this new version PIStudio is using the new download tool. So when the user want to use the old type download tool, we can enable this option or disable this option on this project setting. Okay, there is enable new download tool. So the left side, it is our new download tool. So we will mention on later. And this one is our old style download tool. We can see that it is this PC to this is old interface. And the last one is a new button on PIStudio toolbar. So we can we will have 3 new button on new PIStudio. The first one, it is this cloud management. This is our device management tool. So it is mainly for centralized monitoring and the new download tool to download the project. Okay, and then the second one, it is a message. Message means we can check some news or update update message on this website. And then the last one is for the online update. It's detected whether the new PIStudio will have some new version update, so we can update the software by this button. So let me. So you can see here is our new version, right? So a little bit different on this so if I create one test project, so here is for select the IG. So for example, it is, and I pick a style. So you can see you will pop up the communication setting. So for example, I select the Wecon 6V protocol. And here if I click on this cloud management, you will pop up this device management tool, and this one is our news website, and this one is update. So if it is a last version, you will showing like this. So any question for the first part? If not, I will moving on next point. And then the second one is about the device. Okay, the second one is about the device management tool. So actually, this tool is besides the download or upload, we can achieve some function for the LAN monitoring and the cloud cloud monitoring. So it is, you can imagine that imagine that this tool is combined the VNet client and the download tool together. Okay. So following, I will introduce the interface of this tool. So first part, it is for the local connection. So it is replace the old download tool. You can see on the right side, it is same to the old tool. We can upload, we can download, or we can update the firmware, or calibrate the screen to get the machine code, something like that. And on the right side, we can see it is showing some the information for this HMI. So we can see it is model name and the IP address and the machine code. So it is a local connection. And on the sub tab of this local connection, it is for, we can bunch update the HMI. So if sometimes if we want to download the same project or same firmware into the multiple HMI, so we can use this bunch update. So as long as the HMI is on the same local area network with the PC, then we can bunch select on this list, and then click the download to update the project. Okay. So it is for user to more convenience to download, update the project. And the next one, it is cloud connection. It is very similar to the VNet client function. Okay. So first part, we need to log in our VNet account. Okay. So we can see there is some server selection on this tool. So we can click this login to using our VNet account. Then after we log in successfully, then we can see if the HMI it is which is bound to my account, it will showing on my this cloud connection list. Okay. So we can, if it is online, we can persist like something like this PLC pass through and WVPN pass through. Okay. And also this monitoring screen to check because right now it is offline status on this list, so all these buttons are disabled. So if if they are online, then we can click to persist these functions. So similar to the local connection, we also have the bunch update on the cloud connection. So we can see here is a progress bar. So to check the progress percentage when then it is doing the download procedure. So here is the last one the I think it is key function for this new device management tool. So it is centralized monitoring. Okay, so if we click this switch on the list, then we will see this HMI display on this centralized monitoring tab. So you can see here is left side it is a list, and the right side is the screen interface. So here is a GIF display demonstration. So here you can see I click to enable this centralized. So because I enable two HMI with the centralized monitoring button, so on this centralized tab, we can see two HMI showing on my list. So on this tab, we can control and to check the HMI status. So it is the second part of the of this function. Okay. Any question for this part? If not, I move on the next topic. And the third one, it is about the 3.0 HMI background. So before we are mainly using this HMI when we for example, we long press the upper right corner will be enter the HMI background interface, right? And but now on the new version PIStudio, the interface is a little bit different. So we can see it is another one style interface. So it is one important function for this version 3.0 background. It is that we can see it is front end and back end isolation. So which means if we enter the background interface, it will will not impact on the HMI project. Like before, if we enter the background interface, the front end, so let's the HMI project, it will stop running. So the communication, the monitoring, we cannot not able to check. Okay. But if we using version 3 3.0, we will be able to you will able to running normally the project when we enter this backstage. So the general function of this HMI version 3 is basically same to the version 2.0. Okay. So there is a new function with this version 3 HMI background. So it is multi-link. So because the version 2 HMI, we don't have this multi-link solution. So we did our R&D developer multi-link on version 3 now. And I will show the video to you. So you can see on the cloud tab, we have one multi-link selection on this interface. So on this demonstration video, on the right side it is the master HMI, and on the left side it is slave HMI. So right now this video is showing that set up the the password for the master HMI. And here is on the slave HMI, it is need to make a connection to the master. So it need to input the password, just the master HMI setup. So you can see that it just the slave HMI just input the password and select HMI. Then you will able to see the master HMI screen. So it is very convenient for the user. So we can see that the operation is totally synchronized. So if I operation on the slave HMI, the master HMI also do the same thing. Okay. And another one is for the keyboard. So on the version 3 HMI, we have this keyboard style when we create the project. So for example, right now I'm drag the new mnemonic input. Okay, so we can see here is the system keyboard or customized keyboard. So this system keyboard you will a little bit like mobile keyboard. You will have it will have animation. When we pop up this keyboard, it will have a slide animation when we want to input the keyboard. And there is another new function on version 3 HMI. So it is remote background. So if we input the HMI IP on the browser, so it is for access the LAN monitoring, right? But if we input the HMI and add this ground and also this port number 9091, so then we will entering this remote background. I will show you a video. So you can see I'm like enter this IP address and the port number. Then we will enter this login interface. So if we didn't set up the account and password, then we can using the default password is 6A. Okay, then we can enter the background, remote background. So you can see this remote background function is very similar to our HMI background in actual background. Okay, like the device information, like the network settings, and like system setting, like or the cloud information, something like this. So right now I'm modifying the HMI IP into the static one. So because I changed into the new IP, so I need to using the new IP to access my remote background and enter my account and password again. My IGHY. And type setting and communication setting. And here is for we can also to diagnose the HMI network status on this remote background interface. So this function is something like for debug if the actual HMI is not convenient to process the operation, then we can use this remote background to instead. Okay. Okay. So the last point, it is about the new protocol driver. Okay. So on this new version PIStudio, we develop a free tag protocol, and the first one is the OPC UA client, and then the second one is Siemens S7 1200, and this free tag Ethernet. And the third one is the TwinCat PLC Ethernet protocol. Okay. So we also make the material on our Wecon support center. So you guys can refer to our menu to set up the communication. Okay. And here is for the bake off is TwinCat, and also OPC UA. Here we demonstrate with the LX6C. Okay. And also the Siemens. So we can import tag by this click this AP17 file to import the tag. So that's all the function I want to introduce for today's meeting. Okay. Any question for today's content? Okay. Yes. Okay. So if you don't have any question, then we'll end this meeting. So thanks for your attending. See you next time. Goodbye everyone.